welcome to my channel. Of course, you already know that on this channel I share valuable information about all the softwares you will need to get your business started. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about a very powerful video creation software called Pictory. So this video is simply a Pictory AI review, and in this video we're going to be reviewing the software Pictory, and I'm going to share with you exactly what I think about this software. Being someone who is on the online space and who has been using this software consistently, I'm going to share with you how you can use this software. So the first thing we need to do is to go to Google and search for Pictory, and already I am on the website and it says video creation made easy. So this software allows you to create videos from scripts you've written, blog content. So you can actually just copy the link of your blog content, paste it into Pictory, and it will be converted to video with images and voiceovers and everything you need. All you need to do is just download and post. That's easy, right? In this video, we're going to be looking at everything you need to know about this software, and we're looking at the website. The first thing I want to acknowledge is that this website actually looks great and is quite user friendly, but this is not the back end of the software. This is just like the home page of the software. What we're going to do is try to log in. If you don't have an account already, you can just go over and click on free trial to create an account, or you can click here and get started for free. Let's proceed. I'm going to click on login. I do already have an account right here. This is what the back end of the software look like. This is where the magic happens. Pictory AI review is just me trying to tell you what I think about this software and showing you everything you can do with this software, because I think it's very useful and I think you will like it if you try it out. You can see right here, you can turn your script to video, you can turn your article to video. So you can just copy and paste the URL of your article and it will be converted to video. You can equally edit videos using text. You can input video from various sources and you can edit them. You can drag and drop all your images and turn them into videos. Let's proceed. I'm going to try to turn my script into a video, and for that I've already written a script, so I'm just going to proceed right here. I'm going to find the script I've written, copy it, come over here and paste it. Okay, so give your video a name. The software I'm using to make these corrections is Grammarly. That's what I use whenever I'm writing to correct my sentences and every other thing. Once we've looked at the script and I think this is okay, I'm just going to go ahead and proceed. The magic is about to happen. This is where you have all the templates for your video. You can choose any of these templates. There are endless templates right here. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Choose your aspect ratio. If you're making videos for YouTube, 16:9 is the appropriate one. If you're making videos for maybe Instagram, YouTube Shorts, this one is still okay, 9:16. So I'm just going to choose 16:9 and then I'm going to continue. So the video has been created immediately. You can see right here our video. We can go ahead and preview and see what this video looks like. There's a lot of things we can do here. You can see that our script is divided. We have the scene 1, we have the scene 2, scene 3, and so on and so forth. What it means is that we can actually make changes to each of the scene as much as we want. So I'm just going to go ahead, and by the side you can see that we have our visuals. You can change your visuals for any of your scenes. You can search by categories, or you can just search here. So I can just come here and type acne, and I'm going to go ahead and search for it. You can see that I found new video, so I can replace the already existing video with any of this one. You can see that I've replaced it immediately. You can find any videos right here and you can replace them. And of course, you can equally upload your own videos if you want. Go right over here and click on upload, and you'll be able to drag and drop your own videos or pictures if you have any of them. That's it. The next thing we want to look at here is the elements. You can add elements, any elements you want to add in your videos from here. Once you click on elements, you can find stickers, gifs, and of course emojis. Any of the elements you want to add from here, you can add them by going to the element. The very important thing I also want to talk about right here is the audio, because like if you're making this kind of videos online, you need a voiceover. If you have your own voiceover, or you have a voiceover that you created with another software like Muff, or you just want to use the voiceovers in this software, Pictory has a voiceover collection that you can actually use, and I find them even better than the ones from some other softwares. I'm just going to go over to Voiceovers, and we're going to see there's a whole lot of voiceover right here. So I'm just going to have you listen to at least one or two of them so we can see how it looks like. Okay.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
This is Aiden. Let's check Tom.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
So I'm just going to go over and use Tom and just click on apply. We have to listen to what the video looks like.
Acne is a common skin condition that affects millions of people worldwide.
That was what the voiceover looks like if you apply it over. You can equally go here to upload your own voiceovers if you have your voiceovers. You can equally add a background music. You can change it by the mood, the purpose, the genre, or the duration. We're going to see our audio settings right here. Our background music volume, we're going to set it to maybe 2%, just so it doesn't get too loud. We can do branding, and this branding is very important because if you're creating YouTube videos, you already know that you need an intro and outro. We can enable it here. I have the logo here. We can use this one here. Another thing I want to work on is text, because for some people maybe this text is too big. You can actually click on the text and this button will appear right here, and once you click on it, you can make the text bold, or you can change it to italics. You can move the text to center, left alignment, or right alignment. You can change the text size. Okay, you can change it to 20. Well, I think that 20 is too small, you can see, so maybe I can change it to 26. Yeah, that's better. I can change the font style here, right? Maybe change it to Arial. You can change the text color. You can change the text background color, and once we are done, we'll go right over here and we'll click apply to all. When you look down here, you can also see there are other things you can do with this software. You can actually delete the video scene. You can also add your own voiceover from here. You can upload the voiceover instead of going to the audio side. This is what the Pictory AI review looks like. We're just going to go over and try to preview the video we've created. Click on preview so we can see what the video looks like.
Acne is a common skin condition that affects millions of people worldwide.
Once you're satisfied with everything you've gotten from the video, you can just go ahead and go over here and click on download. You can download the video and then you can post it on your social media handle. You may be asking yourself, how much does it cost to own this software that allows you to turn your scripts into videos with all the images you can use, and also allows you to have voiceovers in the same video. So you can create either your own voiceovers, or you can use your text-to-speech voiceovers, which are like really good for your videos. You may be asking yourself, how much does it cost then to own this piece of wonderful software? This is what my Pictory review today will share with you. This platform offers you everything combined: the ability to transform your text and script into videos in just a matter of minutes. So how much does it cost to get this software? Of course, they have a free trial, and with this free trial, it allows you to create 3 video projects, each up to 10 minutes. So you can make 3 videos and each of them can be up to 10 minutes each. That's for the free trial. But once you're done with the free trial, you're going to be subscribing to $19 every month to create 30 videos per month, text to video projects of up to 10 minutes in length, 10 hours of video transcription, edit existing video recordings up to 1 hour long, 3 branded templates you can customize and save, 5,000 music tracks, and 34 text-to-speech AI voices. You can get the premium $39 per month, 60 videos per month included, can be customized in apps. Text-to-video projects of up to 20 minutes in length can be customized in-app. 20 hours of video transcription, edit existing videos, 15,000 music tracks, 60 text-to-speech AI voices, automatic voiceover synchronization, automatic video highlights. You have the other enterprise this custom price. If you need this one, you will have to contact the company, of course. Really great. My overall thought of this software is that it gives you access to everything you will need in one place. In my next video, I'm going to be comparing Flex Clip, Pictory, and InVideo. I hope you stay tuned for that video. Generally, I think that this is a great software. Imagine what you can do with this software, converting your script into videos with the images and videos they've provided for you, and also give you access to turn the scripts to voiceovers. And I think that text-to-speech voices are really great. Coming to the things I think needs improvements on this software, I think that the interface, like the back end of the software interface, still needs a little bit of improvement. This is where we come to the end of Pictory AI review, and I hope this video gives you an insight into what this software looks like and how you can use it for growing your online business, for creating content, video content, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and a whole lot of other platforms without ever showing your face in the video. You just have to input your script or copy the URL of your blog and paste it there, and the videos will be created for you. So I think this is a very great software for video content creators all over the world to use. You can get started with a free trial, and I'm going to put the link to your free trial in the comment section and also in the description box below. If you want to try this software out and see what you think of it, I'm going to put the link in the comment section and also in the description below. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I share valuable information, reviews, and tips on the best softwares and the best tools you can use for your business to grow your business as fast as possible. See you in my next video.